Okay, I can't tell you how valuable it's going to be the more diamond problems you do. So again, you're getting this chart, and you're going to get this chart for a while showing that the bottom diamond is adding and the top diamond is multiplying. But eventually you're not going to get this chart anymore, so you have to kind of start to remember. So this question is saying, for the bottom, if this is x and this is y, right, x plus y equals 8, and x times y equals 15. And it's kind of guess and check, but you can go in order, right? You could say 1 plus 7 is 8, but 1 times 7 is not 15. 2 plus 6 is 8, but 2 times 6 is 12. 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3 times 5 is 15. So we found the solution. These are kind of like little puzzles. Again, doesn't matter if you put the 3 and the 5. Some people go least to greatest, so they put the small number on the left and the big one on the right, but it really doesn't matter. All right, so the next one is a little easier because the bottom is just 3 plus 1, which is 4, and the top is 3 times 1, which is 3, right? For C, they're giving us half and half, right? So let's say this is y, right, in here. So they're saying 5 times y equals 10. So what times 5 is 10. Well, 2, right? 2. And then the bottom is just 5 plus 2, which is 7. For the last one, again, pretty easy, except they're fractions, and most of you hate fractions for some odd reason because fractions are just great. So the bottom is 1/2 plus 1/3, and we need a common denominator, right? So I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 3, and I'm going to multiply this by 2 over 2. So we have 3/6 plus 2/6, which is 5/6, right? And for the top diamond, we have 1/2 times 1/3. You do not need a common denominator for multiplying, and we get 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6.